What's going on, guys? Good morning. I'm rocking the glasses today, courtesy of Honda from Honda Fest. So today we're gonna start really quickly on a few modifications that are gonna help me improve the car and handling. So the reason why we're doing that is because I will be taking the car to the track. More on that later. So we're gonna be installing a Type R sway bar, rear sway bar. First off, we're gonna take my Type R valve cover, my original Type R valve cover, to get repainted, a new finish because I want to go with a new setup. So it's gonna be awesome. The Mustang looking really nice right now. It has bird poop. All right, so here we have the old valve cover for my Type R. It's, it needs to be refinished. You see the paint peeling off right there as well. So we're gonna take it to a powder coating place to get refinished, and yeah, I'm very excited to do that. I've been meaning to do this project for a long time because I was trying to decide which route I was gonna go. So we're gonna go take this part to the shop, get it repainted, and more on that later on. This is a completely different project that's not for today. Gotta love this Mustang. It's pretty awesome. Pops right open. Let's get this in the car. Oh, another cool feature this car does, just like any other Honda, this car puts the windows down with the controller. So unlock once, second time hold it, watch the windows. Isn't that sick? It's awesome. Lets the heat out. By the way, I'm loving this car. I will be doing a full review about this car. I still haven't done it because I've been, breaking it in and whatever, but right now the car has 3,000 miles. So now it gives me a good idea of what to say about the car. Give me a lot of time to, test it out and whatnot. But it's been great. A lot of fun, a lot of power. Right now it's kind of dirty, but she shines for sure. But I am loving this car. It's definitely a great experience. I will be doing a full review about it. Just sharing my thoughts about this car, coming from a Honda guy. So, I wanted to try something new, and this one definitely fit the description. So, let's get to that shop real quick. Cold start. Man, you gotta love that start. That thing draws, man. Cooling seats. I love that. There you go. 3,085 miles. And she's been nothing but good. Okay, we're here. I went to the wrong direction first time around, but we're here already, so let's get this going. Alright, so I'm gonna bring this in. I'm here in seat coating. CC coating. We'll see how they do with this product, so let's get this on their hands. Alright, we just dropped it off. Got the car right here. This is where the company that I'm using. It's pretty awesome. They've been here for like 2 years. So I didn't record inside because the owner's not here, so I didn't get the chance to meet him just yet. So hopefully next time when I pick it up, I'm going to talk to him and maybe introduce him to you guys. So yeah, this company, the parts that they show me and the things that they do, it looks really good. So they do valve covers, they do Brembo brakes. There was a Brembo kit right on the counter for a customer that is gonna pick it up. So the quality of the finish, it was really impressive. So I'm very excited for my valve cover. You know, I will be doing like a custom color or like a type of wrinkle finish that has not been done before. You know, I contacted a lot of companies and they say that it's not possible. So hopefully these guys can do it, and if not, we're just gonna go with the standard gloss finish. So I'm very excited how this is gonna come out. We're gonna get back in the house and we're gonna start that sway bar project, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're back in the house. We're gonna start working on the car right now. I already got the car almost set up. I still have to get it on the jack stands and stuff, and get it safe in order to work underneath it. So right now you can hear the beep, the annoying beep when you leave the key inside. But I'm gonna show you the parts that I'm using, which you can get on the website. I'm gonna leave the links on the description. That way you can get it if you want to. So I'll go ahead and show you what I'm doing today. This is the OEM Type R sway bar. These are the end links that I will be using. These are aftermarket sway bar bushings. Much better than OEM. You know, the OEM ones are rubber and these are poly, I believe. So very great quality. This is what I'm using today. Energy suspension. I use all their products as far as like bushings goes. So I really recommend these. As you can see, really good quality. I like the gold color, so it's gonna go well with the sway bar. So also, if you don't get these bushings, the sway bar does come with OEM ones. So you don't have to worry about getting aftermarket ones. This is just my option. But it does come with brand new bushings from factory. So you're gonna be just reusing your old brackets and that's about it. So the package, when you buy it, it comes like this, just the sway bar and the bushings, and you're set to go. It is an OEM piece, so you don't need to modify anything in order to get it to fit, which is great. So we're gonna go ahead and install this on the car. Let's get this car on Jackson's. Actually, hold on. I haven't started this car in about a month. Believe it or not, I don't drive this car that much. So, hey, perfect time for a cool cold start. Well, a month cold start. So let's see how that sounds. I must say she sounds really good, guys. I miss that sound. Alright boys, so these are the tools you're gonna need. 14mm wrench. You're gonna need a ratchet. Doesn't matter how long it is, but you're gonna need one of those. 14 mils deep socket, 14 short, a 12 for the brackets in there, the OEM brackets. Let me see if I can focus real quick. Those right there. What else are we gonna need? You're gonna need an extension, and also gonna need a Allen wrench in order to get in the center of the end link to prevent the nut from free spinning. So definitely gonna need that. So these are the basic tools. So now we're gonna get underneath the car and start wrenching. These two right here, these brackets right here, is 12mm. So you're gonna remove those. You got two brackets right there. We're gonna do that last because we don't want the sway bar to hit our face. Yep, so that's free spinning right now. So now that you broke it loose, take your Allen wrench and put it in the center. Get your open wrench right here, and now you can put your open wrench first and your Allen wrench last. That way you can get a grip and it'll start and it'll stop spinning. right there. You can see I put the wrench first and then the Allen wrench in the center. So when you move the bolt or the nut, it doesn't, the centerpiece doesn't spin. This will catch it in place and then you can get that nut out of there. So you know when you have everything planned out and doesn't go as planned? Well, that's what just happened. So basically we have an end link, well both of them. Well, this typically happens with old parts. So basically what's happening here, you see that bolt right there? The center Allen wrench hole right here, well that's stripped out, so basically this bolt is pretty much seized in there, and that's why the reason why that centerpiece stripped out. So we're literally halfway out, but in order to solve this, you literally have to like cut this bolt right there in the center. You see the shiny part right there? You have to get like a sawzall or something and get it in there and cut it. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. So unfortunately, we're losing a little bit of light already. It's getting a little dark. So I think I'm gonna call this a day. I don't feel like going to the store and getting a sawzall right now. So by the time I get back, it's gonna be really dark and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, and I'm probably gonna make a part 2 to this, unfortunately. But I guess, you know, some things don't go as planned. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video, and that way I can show you the entire process. Or the continuation to this video, yeah, so we can get this project done. So once again, thanks so much for watching. I'm sorry that, you know, things don't go, look, I'm all dirty and stuff. So I've been fighting with it for a while, so I think I'm gonna pick this up in a few days or something. I don't know. I'm gonna go get a sawzall. I have to get that first. Woo, I'm sweating. Time to call it a day. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks so much for the support, and I'll leave the links in the description of the parts that I'm using today. So thank you so much again. Until the next one. Peace.